Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a Taj Mahal. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know my next drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a sleeping line. Second step is to draw a curved rectangle shape on top of the sleeping line. Now split the rectangle into two halves by using sleeping line. Now draw a rectangle shape with curved edge. Now split the rectangle into three halves by using two standing line. Now split the first rectangle and second rectangle into two halves by using standing line. Draw a sleeping line at the center. Draw alphabet C and reverse C curve ending with sharp edge. That curve we can call it as onion curve. Does it looks like onion, right? Now draw curved cone on top of the first and second rectangle. Again repeat the same steps on fourth and fifth rectangle. Now draw small sleeping line inside on each dome, both on top and on bottom. Now draw two rectangles on top, should be sharp edge. Each big rectangle should have two small rectangles for the windows. Now draw a big rectangle end up with sharp edge inside in the middle box. Now repeat the same steps on another two rectangle boxes. Now draw two slanted line, end up with onion curve. Draw two sets of parallel lines inside. This one should be tall. Repeat the same step, but this one should be smaller than the first one. Now repeat the same step on another side. First draw smaller tower, then go with bigger tower. Now draw small rectangle in the middle. Draw three parallel straight lines. Now draw two sets of slanted line on both left and right side. Let's start coloring. Sky blue color. As I always say, do boundary first before filling the color inside, so that the color won't go outside. Brown color. Start filling the color from top to bottom, line by line, so that you don't get white spaces. Light green color. Dark green color. Yellow color. Remaining parts should be white. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next drawing, we are going to see how to draw a crow. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you.